XRP looks primed for a breakout. This, according to one prominent crypto trader that I'm going to tell you about in this video. Also, the CEO of Binance, known as CE, says they are changing things up at Binance. In fact, they're going a little bit big on their venture capital arm, which right now is worth about $7.5 billion. I'm going to tell you what moves they're making and what he has to say about this crypto bear market. Also, there are massive amounts of XRP continuously being moved, and I made a video about this a couple of days ago. In fact, I seem to be making a video about this about 2 to 3 times per month, but now it's getting extremely ramped up. So right now, literally 1 billion XRP have been moved in the last week. I'm going to tell you what exchanges they're going to and what it means. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you where hundreds of millions of XRP is ending up. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind. And right now on this channel, we're covering the Ripple versus the SEC case, as well as other cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all these topics interest you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the Late Night Grind community, hit the bell notification icon. That way YouTube will send you a notification when I release a new video. And if you could do a couple of things, I'd appreciate it. Smash the thumbs up button, watch the video all the way to the end, and of course check out my Patreon. There's a link in the description below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Twitter. If you do those things, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys. Let's jump into it. Yes, 1 billion XRP have been moved in the last week. And if you've been watching this channel, well, I start to mention this because not only has it been happening more significantly, more fast and furiously over the past several weeks, but now it looks like there are more and more XRP, literally tens of millions of XRP, flooding the on-demand liquidity system. Now, there is a tracking service out there on Twitter called Whale Alert. Not only that, there are several other alert services that track all the movements of big crypto movements, and XRP has been popping up more and more frequently over the past few weeks. Literally hundreds of millions of XRP going in and out of Ripple wallets to exchange wallets and even to unknown wallets. Now, a lot of these could just be movements of XRP from exchange to exchange, but what this one analysis showed is that the XRP going to Bitso is at least one of the liquidity corridors that Ripple uses to basically push all these tens of millions or even hundreds of millions of XRP into the on-demand liquidity system that Ripple's clients actually use to send transfers and value back and forth, cross borders, do remittances, etc., things like that. So it looks like Bitso, among other liquidity corridors, are now getting flooded, and they're extremely busy with the usage of XRP. So if you've been wondering why hundreds of millions of XRP continues to move, why you see it on Twitter or other YouTube videos, this is primarily why. ODL, Ripple's on-demand liquidity system, is growing fast and furiously. Not only that, exchanges are getting ramped up, in my opinion. There's a lot of institutions and a lot of people placing bets on Ripple winning this case and XRP getting its regulatory clarity. There's probably some whales in there that are placing their bets as well and stashing away some XRP for the day that they hope to come, in which the judge says Ripple wins, XRP is not a security. Now I'm going to talk about what the Binance CEO, known as CZ, has been saying about this bear market compared to other bear markets that he has participated in, and what Binance is doing, specifically what their company's doing with their venture capital arm. Now, they've announced that they're putting somebody new in charge of their venture capital arm. That's actually their chief marketing officer, or previously was their chief marketing officer. $7.5 billion. That's about the value right now of their venture capital arm. And specifically, they say they're going big into Web3. So a lot of these blockchain companies, fintech companies, if they're specifically involved in Web3, well, then you might want to pay attention, because if Binance has billions and billions of dollars that looks like it's sitting on the sideline waiting to pour into Web3 projects, well, you might want to put any Web3 project on your short list in terms of a potential investment. Now, along with that information, he also said now is the best time to invest in crypto. And he might have said that just because they're saying, listen, keep an eye out for the Web3 projects, but he also mentioned it because he said, listen, last time, 4 years ago during a bear market, we invested heavy into cryptocurrencies, and it turned out extremely well for us. So if you were one of the lucky ones that entered into the bear market 4 years ago and rode all those gains all the way up, but then rode some of those losses all the way down, well, you're still probably ahead of where you were 4 years ago, and you're expecting another run-up soon. Well, the CEO of Binance basically confirmed that, listen, over the next couple of months, now would probably be a pretty good time to keep your eyes open for potential investment opportunities. And of course, him giving a little bit of a nod to the Web3 sector, might be something to pay attention to. All right, so XRP, of course, always one to watch in my opinion. There is a well-known prominent crypto trader. On Twitter, he's known as Crypto Rand. No, not me. And he typically points out charts and some altcoins that are basically ready for a breakout. Well, the other day, he pointed out XRP. And in fact, he just confirmed what I've been saying for about the past couple of weeks. He said, watch XRP. Anything over 40 cents is potential breakout zone. Now, if Bitcoin continues a move up, and like I said, goes to 28 to 30K, like I've been saying over the past couple of weeks, XRP is probably going to go to 60, potentially even 70, 75 cents over the next month or two. And so when I saw that, it was a little bit of a nice confirmation because I've seen a few other analysts say the same thing. But the fact that in his tweet, he said, I'm not a big fan of XRP, but it's looking like from this consolidation zone, it looks like it's now loading up, which in terms of what traders use, loading up means basically a long period of time in which price movement really doesn't go anywhere. It basically just stays flat. It's basically what they consider a coiling of a spring before a jump, or in the trading world, they call it a loading time before a pump. So he's looking at the 40 cent zone. I'm looking at the 40 cent zone, but more so anything 43 or 44 cents above that would definitely be absolute breakout territory. So if you're a trader, if you're a swing trader, day trader, and you're looking to flip that over the next month or two, those are some of the projected price spots to pay attention to. Also, I do want to direct your attention to the community tab on this channel because I put up polls up there almost on a daily basis now, and I love for you when you guys participate. There's been some really interesting ones, some of which I just tweeted out regarding regarding regulations in the United States with crypto, regarding Ethereum and its move to proof of stake, and are you actually going to be using that proof of stake? Are you not going to be using Ethereum at all? Or as some of the miners of Ethereum have pointed out, no, we're not moving at all. We're going to continue to mine Ethereum or even Ethereum Classic because proof of work is a much better option for us. Well, right now there's about $5 billion worth of ASIC and GPU mining computers that would be out of a job if Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, well, continued to cease. So that's a story I'm going to be continuing to follow on this channel. Make sure you, and let me know in the comment section down below if that is something that you'd be interested in hearing more about as well. Also next week, we're going to be following some more information that comes out about the United States economic stability and economic activity because, well, there's always interesting news, and seeing how Washington spins it sometimes is even more entertaining. So stick around for that. Because we just had some information about the job sector, there's going to be information coming out about some inflationary news next week, as well as some housing market data. So you're not going to want to miss that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.